Hello everyone. Today, I will explain how to use the updated Bitget mobile app in 2026. Account creation, deposit, and gift transactions in an easy way for beginners to understand. Let's begin right away. First, I'll show you how to sign up for a Bitget account. Please install the Bitget application on your smartphone. Once the installation is complete, launch the Bitget app. To start the registration, tap Get Started. You can register using either your email address or your phone number. Next, tap on the referral code field. If you enter the referral code *3, you can receive a 50% trading fee discount, 20% cashback, along with additional bonus rewards. Now, check all the required agreement boxes below. For the second agreement, please scroll down and review the details. Then tap Next. Follow the sequence of icons shown in the top left corner, and select the corresponding images displayed on the screen. A verification code will be sent to your email or phone number. Enter the verification code you received. Next, create a secure password for your account. Your password must be at least 8 characters long and include 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 number, and 1 special character. Once all steps are completed, your account will be successfully created. Now, let's move on to identity verification. Identity verification is required to deposit, withdraw, and trade on Bitget, so please make sure to complete this process. Tap the Verify button located in the center of the screen. Then tap Verify Now. First, select your nationality. After that, choose your country or region of residence. Next, select the type of identification document you will use. From the list, choose the ID you currently have. I will select a passport. Prepare your ID and tap I'm ready. To upload your document, tap Take a picture. Align the information page of your passport within the frame. Next, proceed with facial recognition to verify your identity. Place your face within the camera frame, and follow the instructions such as nodding or blinking. Once completed, your identity verification will be finished. The review process usually takes up to 1 hour. After approval, your status will be shown as verified. Next, we will set up Google Authenticator for added security. Return to the main home screen. Tap the profile icon in the upper left corner. Then tap the arrow icon in the upper right corner. To adjust your security settings, open the security menu. Select Google Authenticator. A message will appear prompting you to install the app. Install the Google Authenticator app on your device. After the installation is complete, tap Next in the Bitget application. The setup screen for Google Authenticator will appear. You will see a 16-digit setup key provided by Bitget. First, copy this 16-digit key. Then open the Google Authenticator application. Tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner, and choose Enter a setup key. For the account name, enter Bitget. Then paste the copied 16-digit key into your key field. Tap Add. A 6-digit verification code labeled Bitget will now be generated. Copy this 6-digit verification code, and go back to the Bitget application. Enter the code into the Google Authenticator verification field. Your Google Authenticator setup is now complete. Second, I will guide you step by step through the full process of depositing funds into your Bitget account. Bitget provides users with several different deposit methods to choose from depending on their needs. However, in this tutorial, I will focus specifically on the peer-to-peer trading option, which is one of the most commonly used methods. From the main screen, tap Assets located at the bottom right corner of the interface. At the top of the page, you will notice that there are 2 different wallet sections displayed separately. The spot wallet is mainly used for deposits, withdrawals, and general spot trading activities. On the other hand, the futures wallet is designed exclusively for futures trading purposes. To deposit cryptocurrency, select Spot. Next, tap Add Funds. Then choose Peer-to-peer trading. Alternatively, you can also tap Add Funds directly from the home screen for quicker access. Then select Peer-to-peer trading from the available options shown on the screen. The peer-to-peer trading interface will now be displayed on your screen. Switch the transaction type to buy so that you can purchase cryptocurrency. Tap the button on the right side. Select the fiat currency you want to use. Tap the button next to it. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. In most cases, USDT is the most commonly preferred option among users. This is because it offers strong liquidity and relatively fast transaction speeds. Tap Limit to enter the exact amount that you wish to purchase. Tap Method to select your preferred payment method. Below, you will see a list of available sellers that match your selected criteria. For a safer and more reliable transaction, it is recommended that you choose sellers who have a high number of completed trades along with a strong completion rate. Choose the seller you prefer. Then tap Buy. Enter the amount that you would like to purchase. Confirm the payment method that you plan to use for the transaction. Before proceeding further, make sure to carefully read the seller's terms and conditions. Tap Buy USDT with 0 fees to continue the process. Review the price and the quantity once more. The seller's payment details will then be displayed on your screen. Carefully review all of the provided payment information. Also, make sure to check any messages sent by the seller in the chat section. Verify the payment details once again. Then proceed with the payment transfer accordingly. After completing the payment, return to the Bitget application and tap Paid. Once the seller confirms your payment, the purchased cryptocurrency will be released to your spot wallet. To check your deposited funds, go back to the Bitget main screen again. Tap Assets at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then select Spot. You will then be able to confirm that the cryptocurrency has been successfully deposited into your account. Third, I will explain in detail how to trade futures on Bitget step by step. To begin futures trading, you first need to transfer your assets from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. Tap Spot to begin the process. Then select Transfer to move your funds between wallets. Set the transfer direction from spot to USDT and futures. Choose the cryptocurrency that you would like to transfer. Enter the amount that you want to transfer. Then tap Confirm. After a short moment, the transferred funds will appear in your futures wallet. Now, to access the futures trading section, tap Futures at the bottom right corner of the screen. The futures trading interface will then be displayed on your screen. Tap the button in the top left corner to select the trading pair that you want to trade. Tap the chart icon located on the right side of the screen. You can then view the price chart of the selected asset in detail. Then return back to the trading screen to continue. Tap this option to set your margin mode according to your preference. Cross mode uses your entire available margin balance for your open position. On the other hand, isolated mode limits the margin to a specific amount allocated for each position. For beginners, isolated mode is generally considered a safer and more controlled option. Tap the nearby button to adjust your leverage level. Leverage can be set up to a maximum of 150x depending on the asset. While higher leverage can significantly increase potential profits, it also greatly increases the risk of large losses at the same time. For this reason, beginners are strongly advised to start with lower leverage levels. Tap this button to choose the order type you want to use. A limit order will be executed only when the market reaches the price you set. A market order will be executed immediately at the current market price. Next, enter the price and quantity for your trade. Your available margin balance will be displayed in this section for reference. Tap this button to select your position direction. If you expect the price to rise, select Open Long. If you expect the price to fall, select Open Short. After opening a position, tap Positions at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can review all the details of your current open position. Row indicates your current return on equity for the position. Tap the plus icon next to margin to add or reduce the margin allocated to your position. Entry price refers to the price at which your position was opened. Mark price represents the current reference price used by the system. Liq price shows your estimated liquidation price for the position. If the market reaches this liquidation price, your position will be automatically closed. Next, tap TPSL. Here you can set your take profit and stop loss levels. Finally, tap Close to exit your position. Selecting Market will close your position immediately at the current market price. Choosing Limit will close your position at the price you specify. Enter the closing price and amount. Then tap Confirm. Your futures position will now be completely closed. Today, using the latest 2026 version of the Bitget mobile application, we walked through the complete process of creating an account, depositing funds, and trading futures step by step. If you encounter any difficulties or have any questions while following along with this guide, please feel free to leave a comment below at any time. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video until the end.